Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So we have the problem on our screen. Limit x tending to infinity 1 plus k by x to the power m by x, right? So we have the formula, the fifth one, right? The second one from the bottom, which says limit x tending to infinity 1 plus k by x to the whole power x is equal to e to the power k, right? So that's the formula we're going to be using to solve the problem, right? So I'm going to bracket this and I'm going to rewrite this and give me a minute. K by x, right? And I have m divided by x, right? So what do? I multiply it by an x, right? And then when I know that I have a m by x in the power along with an m, right? So in order to retain the expression, what do I do now, right? Let me bracket this again to avoid confusion. So now we have m by x, and when we rewrite this, we write this as m by x square, right? Right. So all that we have done is 1 plus k by x to the power x into m by x square, right, is equal to 1 plus k by x the whole power m by x, right? So all that we have done is multiply and divide by an x in the power component of 1 plus k by x, right? And that does not change the expression. Now when you actually look at this, we know that the limit x tending to infinity 1 plus k by x the whole power x is nothing but we have it as e to the power k, right? Now k is a constant, and when I do m by x square as x tends to infinity, we have 1 by x square is 1 by infinity, which becomes 0 in the power component, right? So the first part of the expression, which is 1 plus k by x the whole power x, is nothing but e to the power k. So let me write that out. K, that is what my limit will tend to. And I have an m by x square, and I know that as x tends to infinity, that m by x square is going to tend to 0, right? So let's write this as m divided by infinity square, right? Which is nothing but my infinity, right? So what happens to this is my k into m by infinity is nothing but k into 0, right? Which, because my m by infinity is a 0. So which means I have e to the power 0, which is nothing but a 1, right? So 1 is the final answer for this particular expression. So I hope you folks are with me. All that we did was, a multiply by x and divide by x in the power component of the entire expression 1 plus k by x. And we know that the first part, which is 1 plus k by x, the whole power x, right, is tending towards e to the power k, or rather converges towards e to the power k as x tends to infinity. And then we have an m by x square still left in the power component, which is m by infinity square, which is, infinity into infinity is infinity. So we know that m by infinity is nothing but 0, right? So we have two components in the power of e. We have a k, which is a constant, and then we have an m by infinity, which is 0. And we're multiplying both the powers because a to the power b to the power c is nothing but a to the power bc, right? So that's the formula that we are using. So that becomes e to the power 0 that is equal to 1, right? So that's how we arrive at the final answer for this particular problem. I hope you found this video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.